and welcome back. We are going out for dinner. It's a very different kind of place. We are going for dinner in an Igloo. So they do this, they make this igloos during the winters, I want to say, right?
Yeah,
during the Christmas
only
time, only winters. So people can have the experience of eating dinner in an igloo, inside an igloo.
It's not a igloo, it's like a transparent
yeah,
igloo.
I will show you when we reach there so you'll understand better, but that's where we are going, and it's a kid-friendly place here in Cary. So let's go and check out how the place is. The downtown Cary is decorated so nicely and it's so pretty. There's lights everywhere. Yeah, baby, there's lights everywhere. Alright, we got the parking, perfect place. And now we are going towards the restaurant, right?
Yes.
And probably we'll see some lights on the way. And then after dinner also we're gonna go see some nice beautiful lights. Let me show you. True, look at this. I didn't look at... Look who's here! Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, they are also coming, but wow. Look! Look at this ball and that gift. It is so pretty.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So why do you always wear the same jacket and come everywhere?
Because I love it. I like being comfortable.
I'm also very comfortable.
Okay.
Wow! Are you inside a Christmas ornament? Whoa!
Aiden, wait for mommy, daddy, baby. Don't run behind me.
There are the igloos. Oh, they only have 3?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's like booked out.
Fireplace over there. The back
So this is how the igloo looks from outside. And then you go in, and then you have sitting here, high chairs. There's a fireplace. Wow, so pretty. Babe? It's about to fall? It's a little slanted, or I am getting dizzy?
It's a little down on this.
In here because of the heater, so my sweater is off, everybody's sweater is actually off.
I can't take mine.
Sit down.
Yeah, because you're just wearing that, so sit down. Look at Alani.
And I don't have...
Hello, beautiful. Oh, hi.
Sit down.
There's no...
She's actually seeing the Christmas tree. I did.
Yes, baby. There's no buckle on it.
It's a pizza place. It's a pizza place, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a pizza place, and we're gonna, let's see. What kind of pizza do you want to eat, Aiden?
Here, line.
Pepperoni.
Option one, pepperoni.
Alright, we'll see some nice options for you. Our first cocktail is here. First and last, I guess. But it's
Last?
here. Not oh no, it's for today.
Oh.
But anyways, the first cocktail is here. This is gingerbread martini. Try it, babe. You can't try it, chica. It has alcohol.
Did she get all?
You want me to try it?
Yeah, take a sip.
Alright, cheers.
That's okay.
There's these ones, that's fine.
Yeah, just give her those.
Here.
Okay, that's good.
Very good?
Put it in that.
It's good.
Oh, we'll try
Here,
it.
Alani. Here.
Look, Aiden.
Here, Alani, it's here.
Ooh, it's actually very good.
Yeah, Martin is okay.
Mmm, it's yummy. It's like a gingerbread. It's like you're eating gingerbread. So she tried her mistletoe martini, virgin, and she said it's good. And here espresso. Hold on, espresso martini. So usually you put 3.
Coffee beans.
Yeah, you put 3 coffee beans for good luck whenever you make espresso martini. But here is one more extra for good luck.
Wow, way good.
Let me try.
Wow. Good coffee flavor.
I have always wanted to be that girl who goes to a bar and orders espresso martini and the one that has...
No, she always wanted to order a martini that James Bond drink. So with an olive in it. That's what she ordered. Once she ordered it and she did not like it. So since then she is into
This is really
these.
good. It's strong but good.
Strong espresso.
With Alright, food is here. Garlic knots.
No. Are you sure? No, yeah.
Here you go, but it's hot, so you gotta cool it.
I mean, just the pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the food.
Oh, it's hot. Look at the garlic
Look at
knots.
that shit like it.
Woo! It's steaming hot, I did. Yeah. I'm gonna put it down here too. Yummy? It is. Pizza is coming, baby.
Yeah,
This
she
is the
likes
appetizer. The pizza is coming. The margarita
That's
pizza.
just cheese.
A margarita. Yeah.
If you guys are not getting the proportion, it has taken our entire birth of the
Yeah.
table.
Look at the
and
entire table.
This much. Like it's 18 inches up.
I thought 18 inches is normal, no? I didn't know that. Okay. Is it extra large domino size?
Kind of, yeah.
Oh.
It's like extra.
Wow. Oh my god. Anyways. Look at Aiden's
Pepperoni pizza. Whoa. I didn't look at that. You got a big pepperoni pizza.
Let it cool down a little bit, okay? And this is my white pizza.
And this is my pizza. It is hot.
Should I give her? Look at that. What is it? What's your pizza?
It's the classic deep fara pizza.
Looks like
Basically sausage,
peppers.
onions, and mushrooms.
Wow.
Say choo-choo.
Alright, let me try my white pizza. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, the game
Give her pizza.
It's hot.
Okay. Yeah, here it comes.
Oh, add.
Oh,
No,
wow.
stop.
Yeah.
Wrap it up.
Here comes the train.
Wow.
Here comes the choo-choo train. The choo-choo train.
That is
choo-choo train.
mind-blowingly delicious.
It's coming.
Everybody's burning their mouth eating it.
That's
It's gonna hot, baby.
Not hot. Not burning hot, baby.
Maybe you need to try to do this
Man, I need
mind-blowing.
to have a pizza.
We
Yeah.
have to be in our
Pizza
bed.
is to
That's why I
go.
don't want to have
We have a
But
lot of
now the
leftovers,
worst part
so
is-
let's go. Oh. So we are walking the downtown, and then all these Christmas trees are donated by like different companies, and they also decorated. So let's see who this is from. Some forced air. Bhaiya, where's your Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Like, it is so pretty. This is from Carrie Plumbing Company.
Baby, let it be, please.
Come on.
No,
Aiden.
do not take that.
We have to cut our trip short because it's starting to rain suddenly, all of a sudden, from nowhere. So we all are running towards the car, and that's what we are gonna do. What? So yeah, we are running towards the car now. Oh my god, look at the rain. We just made it to the car, and Moyang was putting Aiden, and he jumped from Aiden's side to the car.
Oh god. Aiden, what did we do?
Silly daddy.
Oh god. Now the door doesn't open
I'll do it from outside. Alright.
Sit, baby.
Alright.
Diaper, but we can probably change it.
Yeah, we're just gonna go home. It's raining so badly. Thank God we started walking back towards home when we felt a little bit of rain.
It's raining.
It's just pouring like anything right now.
It's raining.
Maybe
Yes, baby.
It's that. It's raining.
Yeah.
Phew.
Ready to go.
How are you gonna come inside? Like this side?
Yeah.
Look at my
It's raining.
Alright, come on. I don't think so you'll be able to come, but wow. He just broke the heart. Oh my god.
It's raining.
Phew.
It's raining.
Yeah, baby. Alright, it's Nitish and Ashley. I'm sure they got a little wet because they were also running towards the car.
And we were seeing it is coming our
Yeah,
way.
yeah. We could
the
literally see
parking
the rain
lot.
coming towards us. Pouring down like so badly. Phew. Let's go home.
Alright guys, we are home. Aiden is super tired, so he just went to sleep, and I am just doing those last minute things. Tomorrow is trash day, so took the trash out, took Marvel out. It stopped raining now, and it's gonna be super chilly from tomorrow onwards, and it's gonna keep going down and down for next 4 days, at least 4 or 5 days. So it's gonna be super cold for the next few days, and Marvel is being naughty. He got Iron slipper that is in the shape of a Pumbaa. And how many of you have watched Timon and Pumbaa and they are your favorite characters? Do let me know. Well, on that note, tomorrow we have a special guest coming over. We will get him into the vlogs once he's here, and I'm gonna take that Pumbaa from Marvel, and like Pumbaa like to say, Hakuna Matata.